Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Up the drain so that when the trap dries out, the smell doesn't come up through from the septic tank, which you have to think about all those things. But you don't want that sewer smell coming up out of a dried trap. You'll sometimes smell that in convenience stores. You know, they got a weird bad smell, and sometimes grocery stores I've had to tell them, hey, you guys need to go get the floor drains, pour water in those floor drains, because if they're not used and you don't get water in it, the trap dries out and the sewer smell comes up through that floor drain. And that's what that is, a floor drain. And we've sealed it. Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.